Good morning everyone! It's our second day here in Amanpulo and for today, ang plano natin is mag-snorkeling pero before that, breakfast muna tayo. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Sinong umiyak kagabi dahil sa tuko? Let's go. Nag-foggy yan kasi ano. Hi, Cyril.
Hello.
Baby, umuro ka kay daddy, malaglag ka. Okay, nandito na tayo sa beach club. Let's go. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-iconic Amanpulo na picture or videos. Dito yon. Yan. Okay, this is their breakfast menu. Walang price yan kasi kasama naman yung breakfast sa package nila. Grabe. Look at that view. You're having breakfast here. Hello. And then that's your view. Pandesal yun. This one, tsaka yan. Thank you.
Ito po. Ito po.
Yan Danish. Tsaka itong may parang seeds and nuts. Yan. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, nandito na breakfast natin. For me, I have the avocado toast. Tapos, nag-order din kami nitong iba't ibang types of bread nila. And then, pancake. And then, bacon kay Pipoy. Daing na bangus. Si Cyril ay bacon, eggs, and rice. Kain muna kami. Let's try the coffee first. Takang sarap. And then, strawberry Danish. So good. Pan at chocolate. Ang sarap nito. So good. Look at their avocado toast. Ay, hindi runny yung egg. Okay, done na kami with breakfast. So, while waiting for the snorkeling, dito muna tayo. Let's stay at one of the beach beds here. Grabe, oh. Nung umaraw na mas lalong gumanda. Look at that! Ang ganda, grabe. Pakita natin. Gaano kapino yung sand?
Huh?
Grabe, sobrang pino. Look at that.
Smooth.
Yeah. Okay, I think ready na yung sasakyan natin for the snorkeling. Punta na tayo. Grabe, look at that, oh. Lalo siyang gumanda yung kulay, oh. Antingkad. No? Good morning. Thank you.
Welcome aboard po.
Morning.
Just a quick review before we go to our area po. So, before we proceed, we would like to present to our team. Jay, I'm your water guide for this morning. We have our captain, Rodel.
Morning po. My name is Rodel.
Morning po.
After Captain Rodel, you're gonna bring us to our spot. We have 2 spots to visit. First, at the turtle area, which can be found on the side of the rock right there. So it's called in the Palawan Villa. Because that part is a lot of seagrasses that they can eat. And they stay in that area. So we have a turtle here, green sea turtle. That can be found. We try to find the turtle that usually swim. That turtle. So we can identify the turtle if male or female po. We use the tail. When the tail is short, that could be female. Long tail is a male turtle. Those female is bigger than the male. You can see the difference of body shape po. So female size po is wide and slim, and female that could be big and round. Right?
Grabe yung tubig, oh. Sobrang clear. That's a turtle. Ang laki, baby. Ayun, oh. Just wait for it.
Don't drop my phone, bro.
Ang laki, grabe.
Balance po, balance. Hindi tayo makabalik.
Ayan na. There it is. Dito?
Yung tali.
Wala. Okay, we're getting ready. You ready, Cerise? Okay, let's go. You can sit if you want. Saluhin mo na lang siya. Yeah, okay, go. Okay. Very good. Okay, move a little. Okay, here we go.
Move here, baby. Come here.
I see it.
Look down.
Andito, baby. Okay, pupunta na tayo naman ngayon dun sa second location. Ayun yung turtle, oh. Hi, turtle. Come on, say hi. Ang laki, no? Grabe. Ito na ba yung second location, kuya?
Apo. Ito
Alright.
yung mga batfish. Lumalapit po sila sa atin, ma'am.
Pinapakain niyo pa rin sila ng ano, ng bread? Ay, hindi na, bawal na.
Kaya, nandyan pa rin sila kasi
Nasanay dati.
sanay na sila.
Kitang-kita, oh. Oo, alam na nila. So, we're here at the second location. Ayan, dito pa lang sa boat, kitang-kita na yung mga fish. Sobrang clear ng water. Ayun, oh, ang ganda, oh. Si Dory ba yun? Ito pa, oh, sa baba, oh. Yeah. Ito na laki. Saan? Ayun, ayun!
Baby, look down. Ang ganda, grabe. Subo mo yan, tapos look down ka. Ang ganda.
Okay, we're back on the boat. Cyril, nag-enjoy ka? Yeah? Tapos na tayo, babalik na tayo dun sa drop-off area. Dati?
Hindi ngayon?
Yeah.
Kasi ang lawak nung ano eh. Ang laki nung motor, no?
Thank you, kuya. Thank you po. Okay, what do you wanna do?
Pool.
Nako, gusto daw mag-pool ni Cyril. Okay, let's go to the clubhouse. That was fun. No? It's a must-do activity dito. Pag nagpunta kayo ng Amanpulo, complimentary naman siya. So, yeah, it's worth, waking up early for. Oh, hinihingal yan.
Kasi sinabi din naman kagabi eh.
Yeah.
Mas
Oh,
talaga
ito
yung-
tayo. Okay. Okay, we're here at the clubhouse kasi gusto mag-pool ni Cyril. May daan sa gilid. Well, it's just a short walk. Ayan. Sobrang tirik ng araw. At ang baby girl ko gustong mag-swimming. Kuha tayo ng beach bed. Dito muna tayo. Yeah. Excited na si Cyril? Why are you holding that bottle?
Baby, dito ka na dapa eh.
Oh. Apply ka mo ng sunscreen. Come here.
No.
Come here. It's so nice here. Actually, ngayon lang tayo mag-swimming dito. Hindi tayo nag-swim dito nung nakaraan eh. Okay, you can go swim. Leave that here.
No, I'm gonna bring it.
Kawawa naman. Wala siyang floating.
Baby, Rin, yung rocks.
Yeah, leave it here.
Why the bird's always going on top, bro? Okay.
Okay, go Cyril. Check it out first how deep it is, okay? Good morning. Is it deep? Are you okay? Okay. I think it goes deeper as you go there.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Oh, it goes deep.
Wow, without us asking, dinalahan nila kami ng lemon water and fruits. Nako, happy yan sa fruits.
Sakto po.
Pakuan.
Melon.
Grabe talaga siya, oh. As in, tirik na tirik yung araw.
Guys, look at me.
Okay? Yung nasa Amanpulo ka, tapos yung laruan mo, water bottle.
Guys, look at this.
Baka mainom mo, ah.
I'm gonna make slime.
Okay, so that's it for this morning. Hopefully na-enjoy nyo yung snorkeling natin, yung Seize the Day activity. So for now, magsaswimming muna kami. We'll see you later. Bye!